3849. What preparation should a pilot make to adapt the eyes for night flying? A. Wear sunglasses after sunset until ready for flight. B. Avoid red lights at least 30 minutes before the flight. C. Avoid bright white lights at least 30 minutes before the flight. The correct answer is C. To adapt the eyes for night flying, a pilot should avoid bright white lights at least 30 minutes before the flight. Bright white lights can cause temporary blindness or reduce the sensitivity of the eyes to low light conditions. By avoiding bright lights, the pilot allows the eyes to adjust to the darkness, which enhances night vision. Red lights are often used in the cockpit during night flying because they have less impact on night vision. Wearing sunglasses after sunset or avoiding red lights are not specific preparations for adapting the eyes for night flying. 3712. What is the most effective way to use the eyes during night flight? A. Look only at far-away, dim lights. B. Scan slowly to permit off-center viewing. C. Concentrate directly on each object for a few seconds. The correct answer is B. The most effective way to use the eyes during night flight is to scan slowly to permit off-center viewing. Night vision relies on the peripheral vision, which is more sensitive to low light conditions. By scanning slowly and using off-center viewing, pilots can maximize their ability to detect faint lights or objects in the dark. This technique helps to maintain situational awareness and reduces the risk of missing any potential hazards in the surrounding airspace. 3713. The best method to use when looking for other traffic at night is to A. Look to the side of the object and scan slowly. B. Scan the visual field very rapidly. C. 100 to the side of the object and scan rapidly. The correct answer is A. The best method to use when looking for other traffic at night is to look to the side of the object and scan slowly. This technique utilizes off-center viewing, which is more effective for detecting faint lights or objects in low light conditions. By looking slightly to the side of the object, the peripheral vision is engaged, increasing the chances of spotting other aircraft or lights in the surrounding airspace. Additionally, scanning slowly allows the eyes to adjust and detect relative movement more easily. This method helps pilots maintain situational awareness and enhances safety during night flights. 3714. The most effective method of scanning for other aircraft for collision avoidance during nighttime hours is to use A. Regularly spaced concentration on the 3, 9, and 12 o'clock positions. B. A series of short, regularly spaced eye movements to search each 300 sector. C. Peripheral vision by scanning small sectors and utilizing off-center viewing. The correct answer is C. The most effective method of scanning for other aircraft for collision avoidance during nighttime hours is to use peripheral vision by scanning small sectors and utilizing off-center viewing. This technique allows the pilot to maximize the use of their peripheral vision, which is more sensitive to detecting faint lights or objects in low light conditions. By scanning small sectors, the pilot can cover a wider field of view and increase the chances of spotting other aircraft or lights. Utilizing off-center viewing further enhances the ability to detect relative movement and identify potential collision risks. This method of scanning helps pilots maintain situational awareness and effectively avoid mid-air collisions during nighttime flying. 3162. Except in Alaska, during what time period should lighted position lights be displayed on an aircraft? A. End of evening civil twilight to the beginning of morning civil twilight. B. L hour after sunset to 1 hour before sunrise. C. Sunset to sunrise. The correct answer is C. Except in Alaska, lighted position lights should be displayed on an aircraft from sunset to sunrise. This is the standard requirement for all aircraft operating outside of Alaska. Position lights, which include red, green, and white lights, are essential for enhancing the visibility of an aircraft to other pilots and observers during periods of reduced visibility, such as at night or in adverse weather conditions. Displaying these lights during the specified time period helps ensure that other aircraft can easily identify and maintain proper separation from the aircraft in question, promoting safe operations in the airspace.